आप सबको जय मसीह की। आज हम पढ़ेंगे वचन संहिता से अध्याय 25। टू यू ओ लॉर्ड माई सोल इज लिफ्टेड अप, ओ माई गॉड आई हैव पुट माई फेथ इन यू, लेट मी or not be shamed, let not my haters be glorying over me, let no servant of yours be put on to shame, may those be shamed who are false without cause. Make your step clear to me, O Lord. Give me knowledge of your ways. Be my guide and teach us in the true way. For you are the God of my salvation. I am waiting for your word all the day. O Lord, keep in mind your pit and your mercies, for they have been from the earliest time. Do not keep it mind me sin when I was young, or my wandering. Let your memory of me be full of merry, O Lord, because of your righteousness. Good and upright is that Lord, so his will be the teacher of sinners in the way. He will be an upright guide to the poor in spirit. He will make his way clear to them. All the way of the Lord are merry and good faith for those who keep his agreement and his witness. Because of your name, O Lord, let me have forgiveness for my sin, which is very great. If a man has the fear of the Lord will be his teacher. In his the way of the pleasure. His soul will be full of good things, and his seed will have the earth for its heritage. The secret of the Lord is with those that in the fear of them. His will make his agreement clear to them. My eyes are turned to the Lord at all times, for his will take me feet out of the net. Be turned to me and have mercy on me, for I am troubled and have no helper. The troubles of my heart are increased. Oh, take me out of the scarows. Give through to my grief and my pain, and take away all my sinner. See how those who are against me are increased, for bitter is their hater of me. Oh, keep my soul and take me out of danger. Let me not be shamed, for I have put my faith in you. For my clean and upright way keep my safe, because my hope is in you. Give Israel salvation, or God, put off all his troubles.